Feeling good, feeling great, 'cause I got a big old smile upon my face. Are you messing with my mind?
चार्जिंग में लगाऊंगी ना इसको ठीक रखना जब
Okay.
Lately it's been really confusing. I just can't understand. You say that you're catching feelings, but I'm always left on red. Ooh, no. And every time we meet, nothing
Tesla.
is off down. I gotta say, I'm digging your vibe.
Oh.
Something is the
Coaster.
just switching up again.
Voiceover montage. I couldn't include what I originally said in these videos since Home Bargains was playing copyrighted music in the background of this, so I'm just gonna voice over basically my thoughts throughout this little montage. Okay, so over here we saw ice cubes, these not ice cubes, ice lolly molds. Home Bargains was selling summer stuff even though it's summer, but it doesn't look like summer anymore. Picnic blankets. They were selling picnic blankets. New Coca-Cola. I didn't try this. I didn't even know they were selling this. I tried to find it, but I couldn't find it, so I just left it there. There were ice molds, different types of little bottles, different accessories and stuff. Home Bargains is a place where you can find cheaper goods than other places. In some cases, they reduce prices of certain things, like this one, it's 99p, it's a candle. Usually it would sell for like £2, but it's 99p over there. Also, this was a candle and I couldn't wrap my head around it because I genuinely thought it was a plant. This was terrifying. Side note. Oh yeah, the bear was hanging. The bear, I didn't put it back in its place. Unfortunately, I forgot about it completely after filming it. And then we went to B&M. And then we directly went to Mark and Spencer's to get like food and stuff. You can see I bought chicken over there, but now I'm vegetarian, so that's amazing. And now we go back montage. It's crazy. This is my little book area.
Cause I got a big old smile on my face, and you can't take that away. Feeling good, feeling great, and I know today is going to be my day, and you can't take that away. You can't take that away, away. You can't take that away, away. You can't take that away.
I'm suffering trying to open the polythene. Okay. Ta-da! I opened it. That's kind of the only trash I have right now. I went to the library today, so I'm gonna give you a little book tour. In total, I got 4 books. I got one for free, which was amazing. I got Strength in Stillness. This is a meditative book. I've heard a lot about this book. Also, you know when people forget they had bookmarks in their books and they just leave them there? I don't know who this is. Somebody forgot their bookmark in the book, page 31. They didn't bother reading after page 31, which is pretty lame, but someone forgot it. I don't think there are any more in here. Also, there's one bookmark in here, which is just a receipt. It's not mine, it's somebody else's. Nobody knows. I also got Laura. Also, it's bookmarked. I read the blurb for this one and it's pretty dark. So we'll see what it's about. Really like the cover though, it's so classy. The free one I got is this. It doesn't really have a cover. I don't know what to say about it. It's like type of a poetry book. Here are the contents if y'all are this interested in it. I don't know what it's about. They had like a bunch of them and they gave me one, so I was like, okay. Black hole. We're gonna read this after I read the old 4 books I got. Also, I'm gonna read this one first. Good Habits, Bad Habits. I think it's written by the same artist who wrote Atomic Habits because it's giving the same energy, honestly. I feel like I'm in a meditative state, so I'm probably just gonna read this one first. Also, I couldn't film the library vlog because I just had too much going on. So this is the little library vlog you'll get. Boom.
Feeling good, feeling great, 'cause I got a big old smile upon my face, and you can't take that away. Feeling good, feeling great, and I know today is going to be my day, and you can't take that away. You can't take that away, away. You can't take that away, away. You can't take that away, away.
तो क्यों दे रही हो 500 वो तो बना नहीं पा रही हो ससुर आज कोई के बड़े बड़े 500 रुपए तू इतना चाप नहीं चढ़ाती हम पे हाँ मैंने तो लड़ने जाने के ना तुम पे यार तुम वहां पे क्यों
There's a lot of cows are trying to get in, but I locked the door. Just gonna vlog
नंबर तो
this.
लिखे हुए हैं इनके कान में
Hey buddy. On the Apocalypse cow version, they look kind of scary. God damn. Especially that one.
इनके सींग तो है ही नहीं है किसी के मारेंगे कैसे
Alone, lonely, just looking.
I think so
We're just chilling.
हाँ